If you've lost access to your Riot Games account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Riot Games support page. Go to the official Riot Games support website. Look for the account recovery section where you can submit a request for assistance. Step 2. Select account recovery options. Choose the option that indicates you cannot access your account. This may include options for lost passwords or account access issues. Make sure to specify that you do not have access to your phone number. Step 3. Provide account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use srug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a response from Riot Games. They may ask for additional information or provide instructions on how to proceed with the recovery process. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided in the email. This may involve answering security questions or verifying your identity through other means. Once verified, you should be able to reset your password and regain access to your account. By following these steps, you can recover your Riot Games account even without access to your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.